Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Instagram invite send problem. So Instagram has come up with the latest update in which you can simply send a single message to any new user on Instagram, and after that if he or she accepts your request, then you can send the next message on Instagram. So if you have you are using new update of Instagram and you have sent a message to a new person on Instagram, and here you can see that that kind of option is available, that invite send. You can send more messages after your invite is accepted. Now if you want to simply delete that invitation, or if you want to send more message to that person without any problem, so how you can do that? Because there is no option available. If you simply press and hold that message, then there is also no option available. Moreover, there is only method that you can simply delete that person accepts your request and you can start chat with them. But instead of that, there is no option available, so that you can do a chat with that person. Now I will tell you how you can fix that error. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram here. And here, after searching the Instagram, what you have to do, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And you have to simply update your Instagram app, because maybe Instagram has changed their feature back to previous, because there are many problems occurring that you cannot send new message to a new user on Instagram. But if the problem is still there, you can simply click on about this app, and here you can simply check the version of that app. As you can see, there is a version available 296. So what you have to do, you have to simply go back and open a browser which may be Chrome, and here you can simply search for older version of the Instagram app. For this, you have to simply open a new tab here, and you have to search for older version of the Instagram, and after that you can simply do that message to any person. Older version, here you have to search for Instagram, and after that you can simply search for older version, and you have to make sure that that version is below the 296, which means it may be 295 or something, so that you can simply enjoy that feature of messaging to anyone on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?